Need to fix video not playing on X or Twitter? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, move into Safari. Inside Safari, in the address bar, search for X outage. Head over to the very first site, downdetector.com. Well, in this page, you can check whether the server of X app is down or not. Sometimes, the server might be down and it might be the reason that you're facing the issue. In that case, all you gotta do is wait for the server to get fixed. Now move into App Store and search for X. Head over to this app. Instead of open, if you find the option of update, then simply click on update and update the app to the latest version. Once it is up to date, now check whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. If not, you can also try using cellular data. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.